question. Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is he. He. You can find he in ha line here. Let's learn 3 words with he. Heta. Heta. Heta means not good at or poor. Repeat after me. Heta. I will make Peppy disappear. 3、2、1。あれ？手品が下手。He isn't good at the magic trick. へやへやへや is room. Repeat after me. へや。へん means へ part. へん means around here. Repeat after me. へん。あの辺で休もう。Let's take a break around there. Let's write hiragana. へ。やったー。Let's review the lesson. Please prepare pencil and paper. Can you read this? The answer is へ。Then can you read this? The answer is 平日 weekdays. Now it's time to write them down. Can you write this? Feel free to pause the video while you are writing down. The answer is へ。Can you write this? The answer is 下手。今日のガチャポンはおへそおへそ Very good. You did great today. またね。
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.